Here we are at Smyths toy store and we're hunting Hot Wheels. For any Americans watching this, it's just like ToysRUs, but we've actually not had ToysRUs in the UK since 2018. Let's get hunting. Well, it seems like we've hit the jackpot here, guys. Look how many Hot Wheels they've got on the pegs. They're completely full. Let's have a good look through these together and see if we can find anything special. We've got an orange Hyper Rocker from the Hot Wheels Rescue set to start us off. And an Experimotors. They see me rolling. They hating. Just like I'm hating this casting. I'm not a big fan of this one, but yeah, each to their own. We've got the usual non-super treasure hunt Toon Batmobile. Let's see how many more Toon Batmobiles we come across on this hunt. I can guarantee there's more than just that one. Oh, a 67 Jeepster Commando. This is a really nice looking casting. I think they do really well with like the Jeep models. A Cockney Cab 2. Very cool little taxi with the Union Jack on there. A red Dragon Wagon. Yeah, we definitely got some peg warmers here, guys. Here comes the Max Steel. See this everywhere. And the Pontiac GTO as well. Yeah, I've seen this quite a lot. Are there any particular cars you're looking for at the moment, guys? Let me know down in the comments. Ooh, a Sam Burner from the Rally Champs. I am looking to collect the Rally Champs set. I did get a couple of rally cars on my last video, if you've watched that. Oh, this is a unique looking car. It's the Altered Ego from the Drag Strip set. I've not come across a lot of these in store. Very unique shape. Probably good for racing. When I first came across this Brick Ride set, I thought, oh, Hot Wheels and Lego are doing something together. That's amazing. But no, it's Mega Bloks. Mega Bloks and Hot Wheels actually have like loads of toys out together. Ooh, a Lucid Air from the Factory Fresh set. This set is definitely one of the better looking sets out there right now. Really nice looking car. The Nissan Leaf Nismo. Wow, look at this thing, guys. It's such a nice car. It does look amazing. I wonder if you can get it in real life. I don't know. Have they made the Nismo available? I know it's like the high-end performance side of Nissan Nismo. Gonna have to have a little look into that. I've got to say, most of the time, I'm not a massive fan of electric cars, but I am a big fan of this one. And on that note, I'm definitely adding this to the collection. Great little find. Ooh, look at the gold paint on this one, guys. This is the McLaren Elva. The gold paint just shines so bright. Such a nice looking car. I'm also collecting the Roadster set, so we're definitely picking this one up. Nice, it's the Time a Taxi. Can you see the rabbit symbol on here? That's because this model celebrates Chinese New Year, and this year, it's the year of the rabbit. Hot Wheels do this every year with one model, so these ones are quite desirable, because obviously the Chinese New Year only comes once a year, so they're a yearly release. A silver El Segundo Coupe. A really nice looking Low Lux in light blue. Part of the Drag Strip set. Nice open engine at the back. I do like those stripes on this one. That's cool. Ooh, this is a great casting from the Surf's Up set. It's called Surf and Turf. It's actually got a little surfboard on the roof. You can see the blown out engine and the side pipes. It's a really nice one, but I think everybody is after the cool combi or the surf crate treasure hunt in this set. So this one might not get a look in. Oh, here we go. A Ford Mustang Mach-E 1400. This is a beautiful looking hatchback performance electric car, I believe. I think it's supposed to be the most technically advanced Mustang there is out there, and it goes super fast. It does give me that Ford Focus RS sort of vibe, but yeah, this is a really nice casting. Oh, I've not come across this one before, guys. It's the Ice Shredder. This really reminds me of Cool Runnings. You ever seen that film, guys? With the Jamaican bobsleigh team. Oh, it's such a good film. Here's the Braille car so people who are blind can read what it is. I do think this is a really good idea and Hot Wheels should do more of this sort of stuff. Let me just read it a second. It does say, please subscribe to Wheelspin 360. I'm just joking, guys. It actually says the name of the car in the Braille, which is really cool. This 1988 Jeep Wagoneer is a really nice looking 4x4 from the 80s set. There's some really nice looking models in the set, and this Jeep's definitely one of them. I'm going to grab this one. This is a really unique modern Hot Wheels casting, the Mercedes Unimog, and it comes from the Haulers set. Very cool. Look at the name on this one, guys. It's Bogzilla, not Godzilla like the one we're actually looking for, the Godzilla Skyline. It does have a unique feature where you can attach Mega Bloks people onto this car. Pretty cool. I always get Gran Turismo 1 vibes whenever I come across a Dodge Viper. I spent so much time unlocking this car. A Dodge Charger track pursuit car, and you're gonna know if you're being pursued by this thing. Look at that shade of green. It's part of the Hot Wheels Metro set. I do really like these track pursuit cars. They look really good. A 1986 Toyota van, which I have to say is one of my favourites from the Japanese import set. Did you notice that this van is actually in Stranger Things? I think it's in season 2. You can tell there's a lot of interest from collectors because they're selling for double the store price at the moment online. Hey, I did tell you before that the 1980s set has some amazing models in it. And this 84 Corvette is possibly my favourite out of the whole set. Really, really nice. Definitely going to pick this up. Oh, this is actually a really good one from Sweet Rides. It's the roller toaster, and it's got peanut butter and jelly on the side of it. And the toast does actually go down into the toaster. Oh, I love it. Ah, so this is the new 2023 Batmobile. I've not seen this one. Pretty cool. Nice shape. It looks better than a lot of the plain Batmobiles, to be honest. I might take this one. Keep count, guys. That's Batmobile number 2. Ooh, it's the Match It Go, but it's see-through with some luminous green and orange colours on there. Very nice. Are the track champs actually faster on the track? If you know, let me know. Here's Batmobile number 3. There's not as many as I thought there would be. Ah yes, here it is in pink. The Matt and Debbie Hayes 1988 Pro Street Thunderbird. It's got such a long name and a long body. Do you think Matt and Debbie were compensating for something when they made this car? I'm just joking. Well, we've looked through all the pegs. Let's see what we got. I really hope you enjoyed this hunt. Please click this video if you want to watch another one, and I'll see you on the next one.